river is a perfect place to throw your trash. There's no one here to see, and no one seems to care. So why not throw your cans and bottles anywhere? The river is wet, and while the river is fun, it's just one piece and it's not hurting anyone. Maybe we would clean it up if we saw a trash can there, but it's just a whole lot easier to throw it anywhere.
What's that?
It's a monster! The River Nest monster!
Yikes, I'm getting out of here. Good thing I can swim upstream.
Wait, it's not a monster. It's a fish.
It looks like a pretty mad fish.
Why are you so mad, fish?
You guys would be mad, too, if I threw trash in your house. And by the way, I'm a salmon.
Did she say her name is Sammy?
No, she's a salmon. But wait, we didn't throw anything in your house. I don't even see your house.
Well, don't you know? The river is my home.
Oh, that's pretty silly. Who would want to live in a river?
Why, the river is a beautiful home. I swim, I splash, I eat, I play with my friends. And most importantly, my eggs are laid here to become new baby salmon.
Oh, gee. I'm sorry then, but we really didn't throw away very much. And besides, well, what are we supposed to do with it?